Hi guys, welcome back. Chapter 3, Linear Motion. Linear motion just means one dimension, one direction, moving in a straight line. First thing we're going to talk about is relative motion, just meaning motion is relative to one thing or another, right? You're riding down the road, your motion in your car is relative to the motion of the car next to you. So I got you some examples right here, so you can get a good understanding of that. Motion, how we describe it, that's what we're going to be talking about here in Chapter 3. So things like speed, acceleration, all discussed here. Alright, so here's spiel on speed. Got a couple of equations in this chapter. Okay. Velocity is a vector, just like force that we talked about in the previous chapter. So we have magnitude and direction going on. Don't forget that. Here's where we talk a little bit about acceleration, right? We still got some videos and some extra credit opportunities here in this chapter. Take advantage of all of that. Right. Here's just a little rundown about how to use those equations you've seen before. Right. Some extra credit for exploring that. Free fall. Right. Free fall is pretty cool. It's when the only thing affecting a falling object is gravity. We're going to ignore air resistance for this point in time. And it's pretty cool because we can determine how fast it's going, how far it dropped, all because that acceleration due to gravity is constant. Alright, pretty cool to investigate that. We've got a couple of slides talking to you about free fall. Alright, got your video there. Some cool graphics that help explain free fall. Now you may get confused. You may think, well, that's going up. When you say falling, you're supposed to be coming down. Well, no matter if it's going up or down, if gravity's the only thing in effect, it works both ways. Okay, and I talk about that too. Alright, the last thing for this chapter is remembering velocity is a vector. So, we have our little plane flying here, going with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. We get a wind that comes over going 60 kilometers an hour. What's that going to make our little plane do? Zoop, we're going to go diagonal. Alright? So just remember all of that you've already learned about vectors in Chapter 2. They're still applicable here. Acceleration and velocity, both that you learned about in this chapter, are vectors. Direction does matter. Okay? There is homework and a quiz for Chapter 3, all available in Pearson. Okay, if you have any questions, hit me up through Moodle or email, and I will see you guys all in lab. Have a good one.